Guys, look at this giant, massive grasshopper in there. I don't know if you can see him, but he is massive. Oh my God, I caught him and it was really scary, but let's catch some more. Yeah. Right now we're chilling at Jericho's football game and we're probably gonna go and explore some. So let's do this. Guys, we just made it down this trail. It is so beautiful.
Look how big.
I would love to go swimming here.
I want to make a TikTok.
Okay, here. I'm gonna let Mila make a TikTok.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make one way down there. It's so steep over here. So, guys, Ava and them are going over there, and oh my God, it's like so deep over here. Ava, we can't make it through this way. It's too deep. Okay, so we can't go through the other way because it's way too steep and deep. But we did make it out alive by slipping a little bit. Okay, my feet are like soaked. But, okay. So we're gonna go back up the trail.
And guys, we're gonna go down here. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a jungle and I really like it. I wish something like this was just behind my house. Oh dang. Yeah. You really gotta crouch down here. It's a little slippery. She'll be fine. So many dragonflies.
We can go up there.
Yeah, I see that. Look at that little. I know, I actually love it. Oh my God, hold on to the branches for support. Can we record? No, I got it. I love recording. It's so dark.
It's so peaceful.
I honestly love this.
I would love to have a hammock right here and this like in my backyard or something.
Yes, and just go out to the creek.
So oh, we can't go out this way.
Why not? Well, oh shoot.
Well, that was the end here.
I'm gonna cut some grass. You guys, you just gotta be careful. Ah! Watch out for the plants.
Should I throw, guys?
Do it. Guys, I made it out alive. I don't know about Mila. Mila's having some trouble. Gia's coming back to us, so yeah. I saw a grasshopper. Oh, never mind, he flew. He's a flyer. I'm gonna get him. Let me try to get this one real quick.
Look, you can't even like. We need like a stick or something.
Oh, I see one. He's somewhere over here. Oh, there's one over here.
Oh, that's huge. Dang it.
If he jumps one more time, it's over. Oh, dang it. Guys, look at this. Oh, shoot. Ah, no! He jumped on my hand. There you go, got him. Ah, look at this, guys. Okay, get the water bottle. Get the water bottle. Oh my God, guys. Okay. Okay, wait, guys. I have to adjust my grip on him. I'm just gonna hold him by the head. Ah! Dang it!
Wait, I got it.
Let's go, Mila. Got him. Okay. Ah! I hate this, guys. I hate the way how he's just. Okay, there. I know. Alright, guys, I did it. Let's do some grasshoppers real quick. Like one grasshopper. I know, right? You like think they're a grasshopper. Where?
It's tiny though.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. I see like two tiny ones. Dang, I see even tinier one. Oh, she's got a double kill.
Nope.
Guys, I just got the little one. Open up the waterfall. He's a lot easier putting it than the big ones.
Look, guys, it's starting to hill.
No.
It hurt.
You can pull through. Oh, guys, let me shoot some these heights real quick. All right.
It's going to be hurt.
Ooh.
This would work.
Oh my god, what the flip are you gonna do with this?
So I can move things so I don't have to touch them.
Okay.
And I'm probably a hiking kit.
Okay. Alright. Down back here then, guys. Oh shoot! I almost just slipped and died. That would not have been good. Oh heck. Okay, we made it.
Let me use the bathroom.
Oh look, a shell!
Oh, that's pretty.
Let's keep it. Guys, I'm gonna keep this.
Oh, look, another one.
I know, I see it. It's a small one next to it. Guys, there's so many cool shells right here.
Small one. Small one. Small one.
Dang. Mia's collecting them all.
Here,
They're all getting buried. Okay.
I'm gonna put my sunglasses somewhere. Can you put them in your pocket or something?
Put them somewhere in my backpack.
Don't put them right here by my pocket.
Okay.
I need to walk them. Look, there's one here.
There's so many shells, guys. Can you see those? The water's basically clear. Okay, I'm gonna go back up to the park.
Yeah, I need a coffee.
Alright, guys. I think this concludes the end of this vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Uh-oh.
Bye.
Oh, no. Peace.